All right, so quick correction for you guys on this one. So we have the secant function. What I need to correct is I need to correct this additional point right here. So this additional point, I graphed it a little bit wrong. I messed up the b value. I multiplied by the, now I forgot to multiply by the reciprocal. So we can see here that our b value is 1/2. So I should not be multiplying the x by 1/2, but I should be multiplying that by the reciprocal. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that 1/2 in there. And instead, I'm going to multiply that there by a 2. So multiply that by 2. And then I'm going to add 2 pi. And so that means then that this x coordinate here, instead of 13 pi over 6, let me just erase that whole thing. So my x coordinate there is then going to be, so 2 times pi over 3 is going to be 2 pi over 3 plus 2 pi is then going to give me 8 pi over 3. And my y coordinate, I forgot to write that down. My y coordinate, I'm doing 2, and then I'm multiplying that by 3, and then I'm subtracting 2. So that gives me 3 times 2 is 6, minus 2 is going to give me 4. So basically, this additional point right here, we need to adjust just slightly. Instead of 13 pi over 6, that should change to 8 pi over 3. So let's see if I can get that in there. Oh, accidentally erased the asymptote. Let me go ahead and throw that back in there. Asymptote back in there. So that should become 8 pi over 3 instead of 13 pi over 6. So 8 pi over 3 there for that one. Just a little bit past 2 pi, so it's going to be 2 1/3 pi. So it's just a little bit before 2.5 pi on there. Okay, sorry about that mistake there, and I would like to thank those of you who messaged me about it and asked the question. And so that's the fix that was there about that additional point. So you have minimum of 3 asymptotes and then 3 points graphed for the secant function. Sorry, secant function today. Okay, thank you very much. And that is all for the correction.